Every week, hundreds of new AI tools are being released, and most people are making the same mistake. They keep searching for the next AI tool that will magically make them more productive. They download ChatGPT, then Claude, then Gemini, then another 20 tools they never actually use. But here's the problem. Having more AI tools does not make you better at AI. In fact, it can make you slower. Because the people getting the biggest advantage from AI are not the people who know the most tools. They're the people who have built the right AI system. And in this video, I'll show you how to build your own AI stack, a simple framework that turns AI from random experiments into a real productivity advantage. Right now, AI is moving faster than most people can keep up with. A new model launches, a new app becomes popular, a new must-have AI tool appears, and suddenly everyone feels like they're falling behind. But the truth is, you don't need every new tool. You need to understand one thing. What problems do you need AI to solve? Think about your smartphone. You don't judge it by how many apps you have installed. You judge it by whether those apps help you communicate, work, learn, or create. AI works exactly the same way. The goal isn't collecting tools. The goal is building a system. Let's talk about why most AI tool lists don't actually help you. You see videos saying 50 AI tools you need to try, 100 websites that will change your life. But after watching those videos, most people end up with one thing, a bigger list, not better results. Because tools without a workflow are almost useless. Imagine giving someone a professional camera. Does that automatically make them a great filmmaker? No. Your AI stack is simply a collection of tools, organized around the way you work. The camera is just the tool. The skill is knowing when and how to use it. It has 5 important layers. Layer 1, your thinking partner. This is where you use AI to brainstorm ideas, solve problems, analyze information, and make better decisions. But the important thing is not the tool. The important thing is the role. You're not using AI just to get answers. You're using AI to think better. Layer 2, research. Research AI helps you find reliable information faster and understand complex topics. But remember, AI should help you research. It should never replace your judgment. Layer 3, creation. This is where AI helps you turn ideas into reality. It can help you create images, videos, presentations, designs, and documents. AI doesn't replace creativity. It removes friction between your idea and the final result. Layer 4, automation. This is where AI starts saving you serious time. Instead of repeating the same tasks every day, you build systems that work for you. Layer 5, your knowledge system. This is the layer most people completely ignore. It's where you store your ideas, notes, research, and everything you learn. The more context your AI has, the more valuable it becomes. Now let's make this practical. How do you actually build your AI stack? Step 1, identify the tasks you repeat every single week. Ask yourself, what takes up most of my time? Step 2, give AI a specific role. Don't ask, what's the best AI tool? Ask, what problem am I trying to solve? Step 3, build a workflow you can repeat. A student could use AI for research, note-taking, tutoring, and revision. A creator could use AI for ideas, research, scripting, design, and publishing. A professional could use AI for meetings, summaries, planning, and follow-ups. The goal isn't using AI once. The goal is building a system you can rely on every day. Here's the bigger picture. In the future, powerful AI will be available to everyone. So the advantage won't come from having access. It will come from knowing how to use AI strategically. The people who succeed won't be the ones who know every AI tool. They'll be the people who build better systems. So instead of asking, what's the newest AI tool? Start asking, what system can I build that makes me faster, smarter, and more capable. What task would you love AI to help you with? Let me know in the comments. If you want to build smarter systems with AI, subscribe to Modern Intelligence, because the future belongs to people who don't just use technology, they understand it.